To create a new statement with the same meaning as the original, we can change its grammar, word order, and vocabulary. To use this method, follow these steps. 1. Read the original text carefully to develop a general idea of its meaning. 2. Circle and underline the key words and phrases, those important ideas that must be included. Number 3. Use any of these recommendations to change the grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure of the original. Find synonyms for some of the words. For example, the original phrase is current developments and innovations. You can find synonyms for some of the words. And this is the revised version, present developments and innovations. You can use what we call a thesaurus, which is an online website, there are many of those, where you can look for synonyms or antonyms, etc. As you can see, these are the ones that are most used, so you should be careful because not all of them are correct. But as you can see, present is one option and we can use it here. We can also change the verb to negative. For example, you can say, the nervous student was awake all night thinking about the 3D model. You can change this verb to the negative and say, the nervous student didn't sleep all night thinking about the 3D model. So as you can see, we change the verb awake for sleep and add the negative. You can also change voice. You can make active sentences passive and passive sentences active. If you need to revise active and passive voice, you can access a video here. Also, we can combine sentences. Use new connecting words to combine shorter phrases and sentences. For example, paraphrasing is a skill students need to learn. It is an important part of academic writing. Paraphrasing, which is a skill students need to learn, is an important part of academic writing. You can access a link of connecting words here. Also, we can move phrases. For example, you can move parts of a sentence to change the sentence structure, just like here. Yesterday, I stayed in the library until midnight and finished reading the paper about additive manufacturing technologies. I finished reading the paper about additive manufacturing technologies at midnight in the library yesterday. Remember, once you have finished, compare your paraphrase with the original and check that it has all the characteristics of a good paraphrase.